What's up, good people? This is Wekesa, the data scientist, and today we are going to look at how we can download the MySQL Workbench and use it to query our data. Now, the MySQL Workbench is a very important tool because it helps us work with MySQL databases. It basically provides us with a visual interface where we can work with MySQL databases. Now, the first step we are going to do is go to this website and type in dev.mysql.com. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can just click and it will lead you to this page. When this page opens up, you'll be given the option of logging or sign up. Just ignore that and proceed to no thanks, just start my download. Here at the bottom, you click on it, give it time, and your download will start. So wait till the download is complete. After the download is complete, you just go and launch your installer as I had done before. Now, let's wait as it starts to install. Click yes. Click yes. This window will come up. You are given several setup options. The first one is server only, client only, full, custom. There are instances where people only select the server only option, but in my case I'm going to go with full so that we download everything that we'll need in our SQL classes. Now select full, click on next. The path conflicts window will come up. Here, just click next, don't change anything. A warning sign will come up. Say you want to continue, click yes. Now, when you come to the installation window, we have several products that will need to be installed from MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, MyShell, and others. So just click execute and wait as it executes itself. All these products are very important in our SQL classes because they work hand in hand together. So let's wait as it installs. The speed of installation depends on the power of your computer. If you have a powerful computer, maybe it will be faster than mine, but mine is taking its sweet time. Now, the MySQL Workbench is very important because it allows us to query relational databases in MySQL. Through this workbench, we can create new databases. We can change columns in tables. We can change data. Everything you might imagine a data analyst can do in SQL. So we are currently installing MySQL shell. Let's wait for it. Only at 50%. Now on the left here we have a small section that shows us the steps of installation. We started at choosing a setup type, then we went to path conflicts. Now we are at installation. So after that we'll go to product configuration and so forth. So it only requires patience as we wait to complete this set. Perfect. Now all the products have been installed. You'll want to click next. We go to product configuration where we'll have to configure all these three major products from MySQL Server, router, and examples that we'll use in the workbench. So here you click next. You come to type and networking. We have this window comes up with very many different sections. So don't change anything unless you know what you're doing. Go and click next. Then we come to authentication method where you are given two main types of authentication. The first one is use strong password encryption for authentication, which is recommended, and the second one is use legacy authentication method. I would recommend that you go with the first one because it will be easier and simpler to deal with in future. Click next. Then we'll move to accounts and roles. Here you'll be required to create your own root account password. So you come here to the current root password and input your own password, your own unique password. Make sure it's a password that we'll remember because we'll need it later. Click on check. Click on next. The Windows Service window comes up. Don't change anything here. Just click next. Now we need to apply the configuration. Don't change anything. Click execute and wait as it executes the configuration. Now, as you can see, the configuration for my SQL Server was successful. Finish. Then next, to configure the router. Don't change anything here unless you know what you're doing. Click finish. Then we go to next. Next. When you come to connect to server, at the bottom here, there's a section where they require you to input the password under the username, which is the root. Input the password that we input a few steps back. So I'll go ahead and input my password and then check. You can see connection succeeded. Click next. Apply configuration. Click execute and wait. Finish. Then next. When you come to installation complete, I will select the Start MySQL Workbench after setup. I really don't need to start MySQL shell, so you can unselect this one. Only select Start MySQL Workbench after setup, then finish. Perfect. Now we have successfully installed the MySQL Workbench. This is where we'll do all our queries in SQL, and it's a very important aspect of SQL. In case you have any question or you have any recommendation on what I should do next, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And at the next stage, I will teach you on how to import your databases into MySQL so that we can start querying our data. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and let me see you in the next one.